Hi, this is Trisha from Lemon Paper Lab. In this video, we are going to look at Printful's Print on Demand Spiral Notebook. If you are new to Print on Demand, Printful is a print on demand company where you can upload your designs and add them to various products. With Printful, you can connect your online store, whether you are hosting it on your own WordPress website using WooCommerce or on a platform like Shopify. You can even sell your products on an online marketplace like Etsy. In the description below, I will leave a link to where you can get started with Printful. I'll go ahead and show you a close-up view of this spiral notebook. Okay, so here's the box that the spiral notebook came in. It's just a cardboard box here, and then just opening it up here. Bringing it, and then it's just secured here inside. And then the notebook comes with just this plastic wrapping here. Go ahead and take the wrapping off here. Just opening it here for you. Put that to the side there. So as you can see, this notebook, it is printed the design here on the outside cover. You have it on the front as well as the back here. And then here on this side, we just have the metal kind of binding here. And then just showing you how thick it is here. And then just opening up the notebook here. As you can see, it is a dot style journal. So this is really popular for bullet journaling. Printful Spiral Journal only comes in this style, so that's kind of one limitation, is you can't get the option of lined or even a blank journal there. And so the cover itself is just a thin cover. It's got a little bit of form to it, but it's definitely a soft cover there. And then just kind of flipping through it here. Just a nice journal here, notebook there. So as far as the print goes, it looks pretty good. I just used just a basic black, basic white, so that's just kind of how it printed there. Turning it over here. The size of the spiral notebook is 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches long. Again, it features kind of a soft cover, and then it has 140 dotted pages. One thing to note with this notebook, on Printful's website, it says that it is outsourced to a partner facility, so it's not printed directly by Printful. The base cost for this notebook is $11.95, and then shipping for this is $3.99, and then with the next item being $1.50. Overall, I like this notebook. The print turned out really well. It was a little bit smaller than expected, but it's true to size to the measurements, but if you just don't think about the measurements, you're not really thinking about how big it is. So in my, just when I received it, I'm like, oh, it's a little bit smaller than expected, but it is true to size if you're considering how big it is. The only real cons is that it only comes in a dotted notebook. So for those of you who want a lined notebook, you'll have to look elsewhere. The soft cover is nice, and it's nice that it has a little bit of stability to it. But for my personal preference, I think I'd like a little bit more of a harder cover notebook. So I'll definitely be looking into other notebooks that have maybe a harder cover. The size of this is nice for on the go, and And you can definitely fit it in a small bag. Just opening it up here, it lays flat nicely with the binding there in the middle. So overall, this is a nice product, and it's nice that it features the design on both sides. Thank you for watching this video where we looked at Printful's Spiral Notebook. In the description below, I will leave a link to where you can get started with Printful. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. This is Trisha from Lemon Paper Labs. See you next time.